So infamous, don't you agree?
I'm an addict for sneakers.
Sneaker addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. We got a brand new Pickup 2 unbox. I've been waiting for these, man, and I've seen them in person. I did a vlog, and man, they're pretty badass. If you're a fan of Marvel, these are fire right here. Yo, so Vans and Marvel came out with a new collection, and I'll tell you, they're all really sick. Really sick. At the end of this video, I will connect my vlog so you can see all the different pairs. They got the Deadpool pair. They've got so many damn sick pairs. The Hulk pair. But the one that I needed to get right away, because I couldn't risk it selling out, was the Avengers pair, which I got right here in this box. Man, what the Avengers? Come on, man. You know I had to get them. Look at the box. There's a look at the box real quick. And let's open it up together. Look at that. Alright, so here we go with a close-up HD look at these shoes. Right off the bat, you see on the mid and the outsole right there, you've got your nod to the Hulk, the Incredible Hulk, with your green and your purple hits. On the toe, represent Captain America. You got a real nice blue suede, and on the back also with his shield. And you got that branding below that. Really dope. I love the shield on the back. Got them repping Thor with that metallic silver, looking so nice. Pops like crazy. Really an ugly looking pair of shoes all in all, but if you're a fan of Marvel, it's so ugly it's beautiful. We'll say it like that. If you're a fan of Marvel Avengers, this is just such a great pair of kicks. I mean, for someone that doesn't know about this kind of stuff, you may look at this and say, man, this is an ugly ass sneaker. But that's how what the series are. Whenever they do what the LeBron, what the Nike SB Dunk, what the whatever the fuck, it's always going to look ugly to some, but unless you get the whole concept and the bits and pieces of the shoe, you're really not going to appreciate it. Hey, you may not even be a fan of Marvel and maybe looking at this right now and being like, yo, I'm digging these are fire. Who knows? But for the most part, I think that's how it usually is. That's how it is. Let's look at the medial side real quick. As far as the fit, I like to go true to size on my Vans, and that's what I do. I go true to size. You have some tags right there. Love the branding. And you have your Iron Man on the tongue to close it out. Looks so sick. That gold pops like crazy. Here we go with a look on feet. If you're looking for these, I'll put that information in the description box below, of course. As far as the fit, true to size. Go true to size. I kind of feel like they could have done a little better with this toe right here. They could have made this something else, you know, like the Iron Man tongue. I feel like it's just not giving enough Iron Man. Maybe they could have done something on the toe instead of just it being blue. I feel like they just went the easy way out with the blue toe. Let me know your thoughts on that. And you know how we got to close it out with that. Bird's eye view. So infamous, don't you agree? Looks sick, bird's eye view style, doesn't it? Digging them bird's eye view style. Fire, flame. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bang that thumbs up button if you did. Subscribe if you're new, and there's this little bell, that's the notification bell next to where it says subscribed. Hit it, this way you don't miss out on any future content. Now with that said, I want to show you all of the other shoes from this amazing collection. So let's head over to Vans and check it out. Let's rock.
DJ Delz, absolutely wonderful.
You got the Marvel Vans collaboration. A lot of you guys want the vlog. So here we go. We got Spidey, little hologram kind of vibe right there. Black Panther. Then you move this way, you got Spidey. Over there you got the Hulk. Then you move this way, you see Thor. They always have cool storefronts, you know, when it comes to these things. Iron Man, Black Widow. Love it. Absolutely love it. Here's some of the kicks. Check them out. Dope. And this one right here, I'm pretty sure it's Captain Marvel, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's Captain Marvel. Really digging this whole pack, man. I've seen it online. I already picked up one pair, but I had to stop by and see all of them. Because you know your boy loves his Marvel. Love Marvel. So, wanted to take a quick look at all of them. Some slide-ons. Some chancleta slides. It's the Deadpool joint. This one I definitely wanted to see in person because I'm definitely thinking about buying it. Definitely got that Deadpool vibe. I like the texture right there, real dope. And there's some cool things about the shoe behind the tongue. You see that? That's so dope, man. You know how Deadpool likes his chimichangas, his Mexican food, and I love that. And there's a look at the Black Panther Wakanda joints. I love that metallic hit right there, that gold hit. Real nice. Great details, even though it's a black on black shoe with your hits. I mean, you got some nice details right there. You see that? And then on the midsole, even real nice. Premium laces with your branding.
You vlogging, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up, man?
You checking out the...
Yeah, the Vans joints. And these are sick right here, the Hulks. I love these. I think I'm gonna get my son these right here. Really sweet. These are gonna look so fun on feet, like even something to wear on Halloween. I'm gonna link in the description box where you can cop these too, by the way, if you're looking for them. But they're really dope. This is my favorite right here, the Avengers. You got, you know, the original Avengers. You have Thor right there. You've got on the tongue, you got Iron Man. You got Cap in the back, Captain America, which is so dope right there. You got Captain America on the heel. And then, of course, in the outsole, you have the Hulk. Love these. This is a lot of fun right here. If you're a fan of Marvel, don't sleep on this one, because later on, you guys will be kicking yourselves in the ass not picking this one up, Marvel fans. And let me know who's your favorite Avenger. I want to know. They got the Spideys right here. Sweet. Too sweet. Thumbs up the video if you love Marvel. I had a lot of requests for me to do a vlog, so here you go. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, these are awesome too. I'm digging these right here. You got all of them on there. And here's some of the merch. They got hats, tees, hoodies. What we got here?
We got Joe Sinnott, an old veteran, 65 years with Marvel Comics.
Woo.
I was only a baby when I started.
What have you worked on? Let the people know.
You name it, I worked on it.
What was your favorite project?
I've had a lot of them.
Name a couple.
My favorite art I ever did was not for superheroes. It was this book here. I did 1962, and the Pope, he was made a saint this year, and because of that fact, they wanted me to republish it.
Wow.
And it was the hardest thing I ever worked on. 1962, in fact, this is me in 62. And Mark wrote that right up there.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so.
But I'm very proud of this book. It just came out in January.
You should be. That's amazing.
Yeah, but as far as the superheroes, you know, the FF, all those years, and the Mighty Thor, I really enjoyed working on Thor. He's a favorite character of mine. And, of course, the Fantastic Four. But I did so many others that I was really Silver Surfer. What's some of my other favorites?
Yeah, he worked on the very first four, Galactus, Silver Surfer, Dr. Doom. He was the original linker on all of those.
Yeah.
I have so many boxes of comic books still. Refuse to get rid of them. I can't. For what? What am I going to get rid of them for, right?
I know it.
I love it. I love the art, man.
Really?
Yeah. Really nice talking to you.
Yeah, same here.
And that's your website. Let's get a shot of
Yeah.
that. Make sure you follow his Facebook.
Mark, he does everything for me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my son, Mark.
What did you think about the movies? All these movies that came out.
I like the Spider-Man. I didn't like the FF.
Did you see Thor?
Thor, I like Thor.
Well, that's your favorite. One of your favorites.
Yeah,
so.
no, he was a great character. He fit Thor perfectly.
Yeah.
You know, I wish they had used the helmet a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
The second movie, they didn't use the helmet at all.
Yeah.
And it was a beautiful helmet, you know. The artists like to see those things put in the movies, but the movies, they have to put their own spin on things. People out there have to make their money. They have to do something for their money. But,
The helmet is part of this look, though, in my opinion.
They changed a lot of our characters.
Yeah.
And we don't like it as artists, but, we understand the business.
Yeah. Well, it was a pleasure talking to you.
Yeah, same here. Hey, DJ Delz, it was great talking to you, and hopefully we can meet again someday.
Definitely. We're going to speak again soon.
Thanks, Steve.
DJ Delz, you know I love you.